Start. That apart, it is not in doubt that both the impugned orders for removing the petitioners from service were passed on the ground of their being convicted in criminal cases on the strength of a government decision contained in a circular issued by the Chief Secretary of the Government of Bihar dated 28 October 2003. Such circular containing the government decision for taking actions against convicted employees having been issued by the Chief Secretary and the appellate authority being the Principal Secretary of the Human Resource Development Department, subordinate in rank of the Chief Secretary, was not expected to take any contrary decision, especially when the Director, Secondary Education, while passing the impugned orders, has only sought to abide by the government decision contained in circular issued by the Chief Secretary. Thus, in fact, the appeals filed by the petitioners would have been a futile exercise. As a matter of fact, when a query was made by this court from the learned State Council as to whether the departmental secretary can take an independent decision in the matter of removal of service of the petitioners as directed an order by the Director Secondary Education in the impugned order, he fairly considered that in presence of a circular of the state government, it was not likely that the Principal Secretary could have taken a different decision. As a result of this board view of locus standi permitting public interest litigation or social action litigation, Supreme Court has considerably widened the scope of Article 32 of the Constitution. The Supreme Court will now be ready to interfere under Article 32 wherever and whenever any injustice is caused or being caused by the state action to the poor and helpless persons who cannot approach the court. The court has jurisdiction to give appropriate remedy to the aggrieved persons in various situations. Bihar blinding case, flash trade in protective home of Agra, injustice done to children in jails, protection of pavement and slum dwellers of Bombay, payment of minimum wages and other benefits to workers in various state projects, abolition of bonded laborers, protection of environment and ecology are the instances where the court has issued appropriate writs, orders and directions on the basis of public interest litigation or social action litigation.